Hello.
I was working on a certain project and I decided before finishing it, maybe I get to show you guys how I finished the project. Then for the drums, I have this shaker loop, a rim, and a simple kick. Then some percussions. And then I recorded a few words or chops. Where else could I find you? And then placed it up an octave in the piano roll so that it can be twice as fast. I also added a filter automation. So I send this beat to my friend. Let's see what he comes up with.
A life without your love is like a wall with no breath.
So I'm going to chop up his vocals in bars in order to edit them.
Life without your love is like a wall with no
The beat wasn't quite fitting the vocals, so I've deleted everything and start afresh.
Baby girl, just hold on, there's true love everywhere. Man, them want see no yeah. Oh no no. You and I in a new race. Holding hands me never switch ways.
So the only thing I did after millions and millions of changes was make the beat fit the vocal. Yeah, I haven't really had time to make YouTube videos or anything music productive, so just bear with me. Thank you. I hope you guys love this song.
No introduction. A life without your love is like a wall with no breath. Cause I will never be fine till I make you mine. You and I in a new race. Holding hands we never switch ways. So put your hands in mine. Whenever the night gets so cold, I'll be here trying to show love. Anyways, I can hold on my love. Deja vu, we I never do one before. In you way been turning me on. True, I never run from this love. This I be the same love. Same one where they bust my mind. True talk, them I never know with the vibe. Before them I waste my time. Me and you, we go far away. Far away, far away. Far away from your pain. Baby girl, just hold on. There's true love everywhere. Man, them want see no yeah. Oh, no, no. Oh, na, 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 na. Oh, na, na. Oh, na, 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 na. Oh, na, na. Oh, na, 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 na.
Cause you don't believe how you make me feel. By the way you move your body, I can't resist. No, I can't desist. Cause when you're my queen, baby girl, understand I'm all in this. You can't keep breaking my trust. No, no, baby, this no love. I try, but I'm always stuck. This shouldn't be so hard. I'm feeling like I don't deserve. This time I no go disturb. This time I'm looking for fun. No more playing with my mind, playing with my head. I'm glad it's all done. I'm glad it's all done.
nigga, just hold
You
on.
killed it. I know you flogged me hands down on this beat. But you know what? I'm really excited because this proved that we can actually do a lot with this. So I'm looking forward to you finishing that exams. I'm already getting so excited right now. Man, thank you. Big time. This is dope.